So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Trust Wallet, and in this video we are going to import our MetaMask wallet in Trust Wallet. Yes, this is a possible. If you want to use your MetaMask wallet with Trust Wallet, so you must have your seed phrases. So how can you use? This is so simple and easy. So please must watch my YouTube channel Crypto Wallets Info before start this video. Please also like this video and share with your family and friend. So let's start. We are going to import or use our MetaMask wallet in our Trust wallet. So this is so simple easy. You can see here I have already opened both wallets, Trust wallet and MetaMask wallets. Let's suppose I want to use this this MetaMask wallet to Trust wallet. So what will I do? First of all, I am going to click on this option, account option. You just simple click on it, and then you can see here add new account or add a new wallet. It's a depend on you. Let's suppose I'm going to click on add a new wallet, confirm. So wallet going to creating and the wallet number 2 is added, and now click on add a new wallet. If I'm click on it, so you can see here there's two options available here. I already have a wallet and I create a new wallet. So I have already wallet of MetaMask and I want to use this MetaMask wallet to Trust wallet. Okay, so I'm just simple going to click on I already have a wallet. I click on it. Now you can see here is many wallets available here. So select your existing wallet. I'm going to click on MetaMask. Now the main wallet name is available here. I'm going to enter my MetaMask wallet. And now I need to enter the recovery phrases. So where I can get, simple is that, no issue here available here. Simple go to the MetaMask wallet and going to I am enter my password here. Now click on unlock. First I want to get my seed phrases. If you have saved already, so that's fine. You can skip this area of this video. So again, going to click on this account option. You can see here the right top left top corner, and I have only one account in MetaMask. This is my main account. So I want to use this MetaMask wallet to my Trust wallet. So simple is that, you can see here, you just simple click on three dot, and after that you can see here option available here, account details. When you click on account details, and you can see here your seed phrase is available here. I just simple click on it, and then you can see here reveal secret phrases. To reveal your secret recovery phrases, you need to correctly answer two questions. Okay, get start. Simple as that, get starting. Now if you lose your secret recovery phrases, so MetaMask can't get it back for you or can't help to you. So if you have your secret phrases and you forget or you lose, so MetaMask never help you. So I'm going to click on can't help you. So right, no one can help get your secret recovery phrases back. Yes, write down. So I'm going to click on continue. If anyone, even a sport agent, asks for your secret recovery phrases, yes, you are being scammed, you should give it to them. Yes, no sport agent asks you about your secret phrases. Okay, keep in your mind, and don't send your seed phrases to anyone, otherwise your fund will be lost. So I'm going to click on second option. There's you should give to them. Now the answer is wrong. No, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Sorry, I think I make some mistake. Going to get started. Secret phrases can't help you. Second option is continue. If anyone, even sport agent, you should give it them. No, you being scammed. Sorry, I wrongly select second option. Just simply click on it. Now you can see here, correct. Sharing your secret phrases, never good idea. Continue. Now enter your password here. I have covered two step on this video. First, how we can back up your MetaMask wallet and how to use your MetaMask wallet with Trust Wallet. So copy clipboard. All my seed phrases available here. Please don't use these seed phrases for your personal use because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, I have copy. Now going to click on Trust Wallet and simple is that I'm going to paste here. And now going to click on show my all seed phrases. Before going to import, I must cross check first digits, first phrase in last. First is salt and second as last is main. So there's shown first salt and last one is main. Means my all phrases is correct. You can also scan QR code of your seed phrases. Okay, it's depend on you. We're going to click on again Trust Wallet and now you can see here click the button is import available here. Now waiting. If our phrase is correct, then my MetaMask wallet will be import in Trust Wallet. So as you can see here, we have successfully import our MetaMask wallet in Trust Wallet. This is so simple and easy. Now we are going to check, cross check this is correct or not. I'm going to click on all options, confirm. And now you can see here MetaMask wallet shown here. So if I'm going to click on Ethereum and now click on receive button, the address is shown here 0xefdeo. Click on MetaMask, going to back and click on Ethereum and receive button shown, and you can see here MetaMask wallet address and Trust wallet address is same. We have cross check our wallet is import in Trust wallet or not. You can see here both wallet is same, means we have successfully import our MetaMask wallet in Trust wallet. So as I hope you this is so easy. I have create first of all our Trust wallet and after that we can easily use our MetaMask wallet in Trust wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.